Hello, this is Sarah Emery with Concentrus. Today, I wanted to share a short and sweet tip with you regarding email options in your Sandbox environment. So if you have a Sandbox environment, you'll probably notice that the emails don't work exactly the same way that they do in your production environment, which is by design. Allows you to do testing without risking triggering emails to clients or vendors, anything external facing. So you do have some options, though, as far as what the behavior of email sent out of the Sandbox environment is. I wanted to show you how you access those. So if you are logged in as an administrator, you will go to Setup, Company, Email Preferences. And once this loads, you'll click on the tab that is labeled Sandbox and Release Preview. And here are your options. You'll notice you have the same set of options for Sandbox and Release Preview. So even if you don't have Sandbox, you may be able to leverage this Release Preview for your testing as you're walking through new release UAT. But for the Sandbox settings, you have the option to send email to the logged in user. This is the default, meaning that the person who is generating the email during their testing will be the recipient of the email, even if it's addressed to a customer, vendor, another employee, it will come to whoever is generating it. Alternatively, you can choose to send it to a specific recipient. So if you are doing testing, user testing, and you want to be, as the administrator, the recipient of all test emails just to validate functionality if you're making some kind of change, you can temporarily send all of the emails generated out of Sandbox just to you or a few different users using comma-separated email addresses. Or you can opt to just completely disable emails so people can do testing, but they're never actually going to generate any emails to themselves or to any other users within your organization. And like I said, you have exactly the same options on the release preview side. So you can send email to specific users, to the user that is logged in generating the email, or not at all. So these are extremely helpful options. Depending on your use case, you may want to toggle between them as you're doing different types of testing scenarios. But hopefully you found that helpful and can make use of it in your Sandbox or release preview environments. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.